Hello viewers, today my new recipe Jaggery Amla Murraba in microwave. It is good for all season and it is tasty and yummy and good for appetite also. I am Krishna Viswas from Cooking Channel. If viewers like my recipe, please subscribe my channel. So let's start how it makes. Here I have taken 1 kg amla. Wash it properly twice or thrice. Then steam the amla in microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take out from the oven. Keep aside. I have taken 4 cup jaggery in a microwave bowl and add 2 cup water. Mix it properly. Then keep in a microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take out from the oven. Check it that jaggery is dissolved or not. Now it is done. Now I am going to add amla in jaggery water. Mix it well properly. Then add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon roasted fennel seeds powder. Then mix it well. I am going to put in a micro oven for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take out from the oven. Then add 1 teaspoon rock salt or as needed. Mix it properly. Again microwave for 1 minute till the murabba is gravy. Now it is done. Jaggery Amla Murraba is ready to serve. Transfer to a airtight container. Jaggery Amla Murraba, enjoy with parathas in breakfast. Thanks for watching my cooking videos. See you in next video. Till then, take care and bye.